Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new, my name is Oscar Camacho-Waters. So I'm actually a makeup artist, and I wanted to talk about this collection that I've been wanting to talk about for a very long time. And I had purchased her name is Jaclyn Hill. I purchased it at Morphe. How they came, I wanted to show that really quick because I wanted to make it simple and easy. So it comes like in a packet like this, and then with the names like on each one, so you can see like the names. Of course I opened one already, but then they're like bubble wrap too. It comes with Ring the Alarm. The other one is Bling Boss, Armed Gorgeous, and Dark Magic. So those are the name of the palettes that are in that vault. And when I'll play with one eye, and then with the other eye we'll see where it goes. I did buy their eyeshadow primer. I did play with the primer, the eyeshadow primer. I wasn't too fond of it just because I did notice on my skin, just because I have very oily skin, and I did see like within like about 2 hours that the eyeshadow was not staying on. So I wanted it to really stay on my face. So we'll see if I can zoom in right there just a little bit. And then that way you guys could like see, you know, how it applies on my skin. And then I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush, and right now what I'm doing, I'm using a 24-hour eye base. It is from MAC Cosmetics, so it's sheer. My skin is very oily, especially around my eyes. My eyes oil a lot, and especially out here in Las Vegas. Oh my god, there's allergies throughout the whole year now. So, which is kind of crazy. And it's because we do like bring plants from different areas. Okay, and don't forget, hit like, hit notifications, and also don't forget to subscribe, because I am going to be starting to upload more videos on just makeup and also tips and tricks and collections and what have you. I'm gonna actually grab Gem, which is this one right here. So funny if you saw a movie. Just doing this to share my artistry and my artistic ability with you all. And yes, because it's long overdue. There's so many tips and tricks and are just out there. Oh, that color is so beautiful. Okay, so that's before blending. So I'm gonna go back to my blending brush and just go back and forth. And sometimes in the crease I do use like neutral tone shades to give it more of a diffused, but I'm actually really digging the blending on this. It's actually pretty cool. Wow, look at that. Isn't that amazing? So now I'm gonna grab a flat brush. This one is from Japanesque. Ooh, going way back when. So this one's in the number 213. The buffer brush, that one was the Ingla 6SS. That's a synthetic. And then I did use the 252 from MAC Cosmetics to apply. And then to blend, I used the 6SS from Ingla. And now I'm gonna use the 213 from Japanesque. I'm gonna do that right underneath. Let's do this. And sometimes what I even do too, usually I do an eyeliner in the inside part, and then I smudge it. So that way, and feline is my weak spot. I love feline. Let's see. You guys could see that. So I'm just tugging. And you don't want to tug as much either. Wow, it just goes with it. And I do put a little bit underneath my eye. Sorry, I know it looks weird, but I have a lot of space between my lashes where I have to do eyeliner in there. So that way it kind of makes it a little bit more tighter. A lot of people call it tight eyeliner. And then I'm gonna go in with my lash curler. And if you notice my trick, I did upload a video a long time ago on how to curl lashes. And I work from the base to the outer part. So that way, scissor motion towards the outer part. See? So using Bling. So I am noticing a little... Yeah, it's coming out perfect actually. Just gonna put on a little bit because, of course, when you do blend eyeshadows, they do tend to disappear. And if you want it to be more intense, you could pick up the eyeshadow and wet it if you wanted to, which is another little trick. Lightly spray, and then it smells so good. So that was Fix Plus. But look how much intense I got. Alright, so I'm gonna grab Bling Bling here, and I'm just gonna pop that in the inner part of the eye. Oh, isn't that amazing? Alright, I'll be right back, and I'm gonna finish the other eye. Because my lashes go straight down, I love to use waterproof mascara, so that way my lashes stay curled. And my favorite mascara to use is the In Extreme Dimension. I do use a lot of waterproof mascara, so that way my lashes stay curled. The mascaras that don't disappoint are the ones that are waterproof. And sometimes I have used like certain ones that supposedly are for curling, but they usually don't ever work. Alright, so there you go, and I just wanted to show you guys, well, that one is the Bling Boss Palette, and that one is with color Gem and Bling Bling. And probably just to play like a little bit, let's dip in with Spark. This one right here. Just to kind of give a little bit of a more of a deeper crease. Because I love playing with color. Oh yes. Yes, queen, yes. Oh my goodness, Jaclyn. Oh my god, girl. Because there's, you know, a moment where I was in not disbelief, I was just questioning, because I've been hearing like a lot of stuff like happening, like, oh, you know, the shadows are not pressed or what have you. You know how social media could be sometimes. I wanted to see for myself. Wow. So, okay. If you go too high, like in the crease, it's okay, just put a highlight, it'll bring it back down. There you go. I ain't trying to be picky right now, but yeah, definitely let's play with a palette every day. So I'll just play with the Bling Boss for right now. So let's do Glitz and Glam as my highlight underneath my brow. Oh wow, okay. Oh, I did use a highlight in here in the inside of my tear duct area. That one's Bling Bling. Sorry, I don't know if I mentioned that or not. Wow, okay. See how the highlight brings the eyeshadow down just in case if you did go too high? Wow, let's see what this would look as a highlight for the cheek area. My skin's oily as it is, but change that with like a matte formula. Or matte texture, if you guys never ever tried that or heard of it. Matte textures are really good. Clear matte mattifier for the skin, in case if you are very oily like me. There you go. Wow. Gorgeous. Wow. Alright. Well, that one is Bling Boss, you guys. So I will do another video with another palette. We'll see which one it is. Also, those shadows, the ones that I played with, so the texture is like a Velux. The gem, I feel like it's a Velux Pearl because it's very thick. Or not very thick. Oh my god. I'm losing my words here. It's like, it's kinda, it has like a shine, but not as much. It's more of a sheen. And then the other one's Spark. It is a matte. So, and then just so you guys are aware, I am like a medium deep MAC terms. I would be mixing NC40 with the NW35 to get my complexion, or a C4.5 or a C5 depending on how much sun I get. So that way you guys kind of have an idea. Alright, so that one is Spark. And then the Bling Bling, the one that I use underneath my brow. Wow. So there's that one. It does have like a little bit of a pink hue to it. And then Glitz and Glam. It also has like a pink hue to it, but it looks more peachy. It's this one right there. Alright, well, until then, I'll see you guys later on. Alright, bye until next time, and don't forget, hit that like button, hit notifications, and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, Oscar Camacho is out. Oscar Camacho-Waters is out. Alright.